Hello kids, welcome to English class. Let us learn the sound of alphabets. Do you know the alphabets? Yes, it has 26 letters. These 26 letters have their own sound. Each letter produces a different sound. Let us sing the song of the alphabets and enjoy the day. Let us sing with me. Now let us learn the sound of the letter A. The sound of the letter A is A. The sound of the letter A is A. Apple. A apple. Repeat with me children. A ant. A ant. A ambulance. A ambulance. A aeroplane. A aeroplane. A arrow. A arrow. A anchor. A anchor. Let us learn the sound of the letter N. The sound of the letter N is N. N. N nose. N nose. N nine. N nine. Nest. Nest. Nap. Nap. Net. 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 Needle. Needle. Let us learn the sound of the letter P. The sound of the letter P is P. The sound of the letter P is P. P pen. P pen. P pet. P pet. P peacock. P peacock. Repeat with me children. P pan. P pan. P parrot. P parrot. P pot. P pot. Let us learn the sound of the letter T. The sound of the letter T is T. Sound of the letter T is T. T tiger. T tiger. T taxi. Taxi. T ten. T ten. T truck. T truck. T train. T train. T toy. T toy. Let us say and learn the sound of the letters.
Listen to the sound and repeat.
A. A. Mm. Mm.
A for